Welcome back, everyone. So tonight I'm going to be cooking crispy orange beef. This is a Chinese dish that typically you could find at almost any Chinese restaurant, but it's very hard to find any that's actually good. It's usually really cheaply made with super cheap cuts of beef. So I'm going to make it my way, which is more authentic. It's going to be with higher quality meat. We're using prime meat instead of prime sirloin instead of the regular cuts of meat. So here we go. Start with the ingredients. So here we got some top sirloin. This is prime. This I got from Costco. You can see the marbling is great. Top sirloin is not the highest quality cut of meat, but obviously prime is going to make it much better. You've got to have minced garlic, minced ginger. We're going to be using cornstarch, a little bit of sugar. We're going to be using oranges, rice wine vinegar, some Shaosing cooking wine, which is a Chinese cooking wine, rice cooking wine. You can find this at any Chinese food store. Dark soy sauce. It's different than your typical soy sauce that you usually have, that everybody has. So pick that up too. Some dried chilies. This is going to be the big one, which is this dried tangerine peel. Again, that you can find at any Chinese food store. And then we're going to have some Star Anise. Okay, first things first, we're going to get our beef here into a bowl. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be just marinating this in just simply some soy sauce for about an hour. Alright, so next thing, we're going to start with the sauce for the orange beef. Now we've got to get some orange juice, some freshly squeezed. Don't use pasteurized orange juice. That stuff's been cooked. It's a lot better quality of a sauce when you use fresh orange juice. Alright, now we're going to take about 2/3 of a cup of orange juice. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of Shaosing wine, 3 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce, and then 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. So a little bit of rice wine vinegar, maybe a teaspoon, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little bit of warm water. So in a bowl we're going to get some cornstarch. I'm going to add the beef in. Now just make sure the beef's fully coated and really pack the cornstarch in. Just make sure it's all coated and really packed in tight. Now it's time for the magic to happen. So we're gonna make sure you don't crowd the pan, but once you get to about a little above 350, we're gonna start tossing these in. Now since they're sliced real thin, it's not going to take long for them to crisp up and fry up. And then we're going to move on to our next batch. Alright, now get your wok nice and hot. Let's go in with some oil. Throw in the Star Anise. And about 10 pieces of the dried orange peel. Now we're going to get the garlic and ginger, about 3 tablespoons minced each. Ooh, we almost forgot the dried chilies. And now, in with our sauce. Once it's thickened up quite a bit, We're gonna go right in with our steak pieces. And then right on top with some spring onion. Look at that. It's gorgeous crispy fried beef. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. I got some rice cooking for this. I don't need to teach you guys how to make rice. You can't make rice. You got problems. Get a rice cooker.